The reason you get a tan is because of UV rays. UV rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation that are present on the electromagnetic spectrum, a spectrum of electromagnetic radiation with different wavelengths and frequencies. UV light falls between visible and X-rays with a frequency in the range of 8 times 10 to the 14 to 3 times 10 to the 6 hertz and a wavelength from 380 nanometers to 10 nanometers. UV light is broken down into three separate rays: UVA, UVB, and UVC, each with their own characteristic wavelength and frequency range. UV light has important applications in sterilizing equipment as well as vitamin D production, but can be harmful to our DNA. In response to potentially harmful UV rays, your skin cells produce a chemical called melanin that is produced in skin cells called melanocytes. Melanin works by absorbing UV light and dissipating it as heat. When your body senses sun damage, it sends melanin into the surrounding cells to try and protect them from sustaining further damage to their DNA.
Melanocytes are cells that produce melanin, a brown-black pigment that determines the color of the skin, hair, and eyes in humans, and helps to guard against the damaging effects of the sun. In the skin, melanocytes are positioned at the epidermal-dermal junction, appearing as round cell bodies with long irregular extensions called dendrites. The formation of melanin occurs in the cell body, in an intracytoplasmic membrane-bound organelle called the melanosome. Next, the melanosome is transported by microtubules toward the surface of the melanocyte.
When your body has more melanocytes, you produce more melanin, getting darker. However, with enough exposure, these rays will damage the structure of the DNA, causing mutated DNA in the form of thymine dimers. These dimers interfere with DNA processes such as transcription and translation and are the main cause of melanoma.